dreaming of sending funds across borders with ease. Xoom makes it happen. First, let's head over to Xoom.com, where we'll initiate your international money transfer if you're new. You'll need to create an account. It's a quick and straightforward process. Once logged in, you'll see a prominent Send Money option. Click on that here. You'll input the amount you wish to send and select the country where your recipient is located. Xoom will immediately show you the estimated exchange rate and fees. Next, it's time for recipient information. You'll need to provide your recipient's full name, address, and phone number. Double-check these details for accuracy. It's crucial for a smooth transaction. Now, let's talk payment. Xoom offers flexible payment methods. You can link your bank account for a secure and often cost-effective transfer, or use your credit or debit card for convenience. Select the option that works best for you. Before finalizing, Xoom presents a clear summary of your transaction. Review the amount, recipient details, and payment method one last time. Once you confirm, your money is on its way. Worried about where your money is? Xoom provides excellent tracking features. You can easily monitor your transfer's progress right from your account dashboard, giving you peace of mind every step of the way. Sending money internationally has never been this secure and efficient.